Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can write vertical text in After Effects application. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my After Effects and I'm going to add vertical text to this project. First of all, I'm going to add text to this project. I'm going to right click on this part and select new, and I'm going to select text, and I'm just going to type in my text. Okay, and then I'm going to select this arrow to play around right here on the text. I'm just going to put it on this part. Okay, and if we want to create vertical text, we can select this text option right here, and then you can right click on the text and then select vertical. Okay, and now as you can see that the vertical text has been created, and I'm going to place it right here. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to create vertical text in After Effects. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.